front of me is XIAOMI Pad 6, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to find Gallery app, and when you find it, click on it. Now, after selecting Got It, hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of. Now, to pick all of them right away, click on Select All at the top right corner. To exclude some, click on the ones that you wish to keep. And to delete the rest, select this bin at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!